Hey, congrats for your new laptop. What? You're still using your existing laptop because you do not know how to transfer the data from your old laptop to a new laptop, and you are so confused with this new USB-C type port, the old A type port, and the entire world of hub, adapters, power, plug, play, docks, etc. Well, do not worry. In this video, I'm going to resolve all your issues in just one click. Yes, you do not have to buy any software, don't have to install any app on your system. The MacBook already has this wonderful feature integrated inside it, using which you can transfer all the files from your current laptop, your current MacBook to your new MacBook in just one click. And not just MacBook, you can follow this method to transfer files from your iPhone to your MacBook as well. Without much further ado, let's get started and let me show you how you can transfer the data, the files from your existing MacBook to your new MacBook at just one click. But before that, do not forget to click the subscribe button of this channel if you have not subscribed to my channel already. So here's my existing MacBook Air. This is an El Capitan model. I bought in 2015 or so. And here I have my new MacBook Pro. I hope you have seen the unboxing video. So what I'll do first is I'll go to the Finders window. This is the Finders window in the dock itself. And here I'll go to the AirDrop. Yeah, AirDrop will allow me to be discovered by everyone. So you have to ensure that your Bluetooth is on in both the computers. That's why you will be discovered by each other. So here in this AirDrop, you can see all the compatible devices in the vicinity. So right now there's only one. Now I'll go to this laptop, Finders window, open again. I'll go to the AirDrop again, and same thing, allow me to be discovered by everyone. You can see Ekta's MacBook Pro has popped in over here. Yeah, this is the folder, smart folder. I want to transfer all the data from this folder, from this laptop to this one. I'll do Command A, select all and drag them to AirDrop. Here you can see MacBook Pro. Now I'll just drag and drop it over here. As you can see, small window pops in over here that Ekta's MacBook Air wants to send you 12 items. So you can accept, open, decline or accept. I will simply accept. And here you can see a blue color ring moving, and voila, all the data got transferred. I will find all the data over here, downloads, because that's something in the setting. So this is the entire data that I have transferred from that laptop to this one. And next we are going to get some more data. Now what data I want, for example, in my downloads I have so many stuff over here. So let me just click all, let me say Control A, drag them to AirDrop. Here I get MacBook Pro, just drop it over there, and immediately you will get this 231 items. So you say accept, and it's progressing. Yeah, since this is a large file, you will get a notification over here. So once this blue line comes till this end, that means your data has been transferred. It's transferring, it says sending, and here you can see it's receiving. As simple as that. You can also do for single files, it's even easier. This is the default folder where you will find all this data. So wasn't that very simple? Can you see this blue line, this blue circle? So this means you are sending files to this computer or this device, and this is the progress. So once this entire circle is completed, that means your files are being sent. You can see a similar ring over here, and this means your thing is in process. In between you can go surf web, whatnot. I would request you, if you can go and check my website www.hotkutil.com. You will find a lot of tech stuff, travel, nutrition over here. You can find a lot of tech stuff. Whenever I write one, I put it over here. Yeah. You can use this to transfer all files or entire folder at once depending on the size of the folder, or you can transfer one file at one time because the system doesn't get overloaded or overheated because of that, and it becomes simpler, easier, faster and better experience. So well, that's all for today's video. I really hope that you find it useful. In case if you have any other queries, then you let me know, or I'll see you soon. Take care and